Sunday activities.
Hi, Tom. How was your Sunday?
Hi, Kevin. It was great. How about yours?
It was good too. What did you do on Sunday?
In the morning, I cleaned my room and helped my parents.
That's nice. What did you do after that?
In the afternoon, I played football with my friends. How about you?
I stayed at home and watched TV.
That sounds relaxing. Did you do anything else?
Yes, in the evening I had dinner with my family.
Same here. I also prepared my school bag for Monday.
That's good. Sunday is a nice day to rest.
I agree. It's my favorite day of the week.